I had bought the sloe gin because I love the Millionaire Cocktail, which I will definitely make on this channel at some point. There we go. All right. Let's set up the tripod, turn on the camera, flip the lights. Hey guys, so I guess I don't have a lot of time, but I really wanted to make you guys a Millionaire cocktail this week. I know I mentioned this drink a little while ago. It's a delicious sloe gin cocktail, perfect for fall. So let's do it before I have to get out of here. Okay. So this is actually just one of many drinks called the Millionaire Cocktail. As you might expect with a name as catchy as that, lots of drinks were given that title by different bars, different bartenders over the years. In the 1920s alone, there were at least 4, if not half a dozen different cocktails, popular ones, that were all called the Millionaire at different points. The drink we're making today is my particular favorite that has this name. This one is actually referred to as the Millionaire No. 1 in Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book. And even within the Millionaire Cocktail No. 1, there have been many variations over the ensuing decades, from changes in the sweetener to obviously many changes in the specs as people's tastes have changed over time, etc. But what really defines this version of the Millionaire Cocktail is the trio of primary ingredients: the sloe gin, apricot brandy, and the rum. So let's build this cocktail quick. We're gonna start with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice and just a 1/4 ounce of honey syrup. This is a 3-to-1 honey to hot water mix. So 1/4 ounce of honey syrup. You can also use grenadine for this, by the way, and since we just made grenadine, I welcome you to try it. I find that it actually doesn't need that extra little bit of tartness because we're getting plenty of tart, fruity, dark flavors from the lime and the sloe gin. So we have our lime juice, we have our honey in here, and we're going to go with 1/2 an ounce of what may be my favorite cocktail ingredient of all time. Did a whole video about this, the Giffard Abricot du Roussillon, made from very pretty apricots in Roussillon, France, which adds a sort of sweet aroma, but very little actual sweetness into the drink. So 1/2 an ounce of that, 3/4 of an ounce of our Ford's sloe gin, which recently featured in our sloe gin fizz, which I recommend giving a try. And we're gonna go with a 1/4 ounce of an overproof rum. In this case, it's Dr. Bird's Jamaican rum. Now, the Millionaire No. 1 has been made with regular dark rums, Demerara rums, but for me, it's the combination of the funk of the Jamaican rum and the sort of almost like menthol cooling quality of the apricot du Roussillon that really makes this incredible. So that's what we're going with. It is hot in this vault. Okay, now we're just gonna get our chilled glass at the ready, and we're going to add our shaking cube to the tin and shake away. In my case, I'm gonna try to shake a little quietly, but you should be shaking this nice and hard. Okay, gonna have to bust out of here. All right, let's pour this Millionaire. Beautiful. All right, cheers. Cheers. Yeah, this drink really works. It's a great, super refreshing drink that still gives a little bit of fall vibes, with also a little bit of kind of summer nostalgia, tropical feeling from the lime and the rum. But it's really balanced out by the sort of dark fruit blackthorn flavor from the sloe gin, and that funkiness from the Jamaican rum, and this really great back of the palate sweetness from the apricot brandy. It almost feels healthy somehow, and I don't know why I always think that when I drink a cocktail with apricot brandy, because it's not healthy. But there is this thing, because it has this cooling nature on the tongue, the Giffard Apricot in particular, that just balances drinks so well. So yeah, it's a great way of combining these seemingly disparate ingredients. It's lovely use of sloe gin if you have a bottle in your house. I highly recommend getting the apricot brandy as well. And yeah, I'm going to get out of here now. Bye.